SOLIDWORKS Electrical 2024 sees many useful updates added. The first improvement we see is the auto-adapt grid size. This makes it easier to work with higher resolution screens. As you can see, the grid maintains its display as we zoom in and out. The next improvement is the ability to move symbols with your arrow keys. Here we would like to align the two line diagram symbols. We use the arrow keys to position them in line. They simply move based on your grid spacing with each press of the arrow. We can now auto balloon our 2D cabinet layouts. It works like the auto balloon function in SOLIDWORKS CAD drawings. We can choose the layout of the balloons and choose a supporting bomb to be inserted with it. Moving into the 3D environment, we see an improvement in routing harnesses. We have a harness that has been routed where all the components belong to location L1. This harness is then inserted into another SOLIDWORKS electrical assembly related to the location L2, alongside some additional electrical components. In previous releases, clicking the route harness button would have recreated the existing harness. However, we can now route components in the active location only, so it will only route the components assigned to location L2 and leave the original harness as is. This gives better performance and more flexibility on how harnesses are created. Filters have been added to allow easier navigation of your electrical manager tree. We can filter associated manufacturer parts, accessory manufacturer parts, auxiliary manufacturer parts, and manufacturer parts excluded from BOM. For example, if I want to hide all auxiliary components in my electrical tree, I can simply choose the option and engage the filter. We'll move into the 3D cabinet layout. As you can see, our horizontal rails need extending to house our electrical components. In previous releases, I would need to adjust each rail individually. In 2024, I can select all rails and modify the lengths of all three from a single command.